Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bissell, the Director of the New River Health District. Today is October 30th and I'm going to give you an update of COVID-19 in our area. Montgomery County has the most cases in our region. You can see in the graph that previously in Montgomery County, most of the cases had been in the student population. However, over the past 2 weeks, the spread in the rest of the community has accounted for about half of the cases. That means some people are letting their guard down and engaging in risky behavior. In Radford, we had a bump related to some social activities with students, but also some issues with workers, and that's coming back down. We currently have 10 outbreaks in the New River Health District, 4 in long-term care settings, 2 in our higher education institutions, and 4 in other congregate settings. Our investigations show that COVID is being spread in the New River Valley through small gatherings. We understand that people are tired of wearing masks and watching their distance, but we must continue if we want to protect our most vulnerable populations. We are in the middle of a global pandemic, and the virus is spreading more widely and more quickly than ever. We're seeing that the disease is rebounding in Europe and other countries. This shows that it's not possible to suppress the disease and expect it to go away, but we do have control over how it spreads in our community. We cannot give up and simply accept hundreds and thousands of hospitalizations and deaths. We have learned much in these past few months. We have learned that by wearing a face covering, we can still speak and be heard, we can still conduct business, make friends, and teach students. We can also protect our community from the spread of COVID-19. More recently, we've learned that wearing a mask helps protect ourselves too. It provides what we call inoculum control. Even if we're exposed to the virus, we ingest less of it. The intensity of disease is directly connected to what we call viral load, how much of the virus we ingest. When fewer particles enter our bodies, even if you get COVID-19, the disease is milder or even asymptomatic. We are learning that wearing a mask can keep you and your loved ones out of the hospital. I know that different communities, states, and countries are locking down and restricting. We've heard a lot about what we must stop doing. However, while we are physically distancing, we must not become socially distant. We need our friends and our families and our neighbors and our communities. I'm challenging everyone to find ways to connect in a safe way. We know that COVID spreads through close social contact in poorly ventilated areas. Let's find creative ways to meet online or outdoors and communicate at a safe distance. Let's start with our Halloween and Day of Dead celebrations this weekend. Please consider taking it outside in small groups. The weather should be nice but colder, so wrap up, wear your mask, and watch your distance. When you come back inside, wash your hands and stay safe. I know we're all getting tired of COVID, but COVID's not getting tired. We have to continue with our vigilance to protect each other. Meanwhile, keep sending us your questions and concerns. Our answers are posted on the nrvroadtowellness.com website. Thank you.